Greetings, Earthlings from California, USA, with the Valerie K, and that's me. Hello, guys. Welcome to my planet. So, guys, malamig ang umaga. Kababangon ko lang, guys. Pero kanina pa ako gising. Alam mo na, nagmoni-moni muna sa bed, you know. So, ngayon, pagbaba ko galing sa taas, diretso na pa ako dito sa aking garden. So, binibisita ko uli ang aking garden. It's time for me to visit my garden. And look at that. Happy Easter. So, malapit na po mag-Easter Sunday dito, guys. Okay. And spring time na dito. So look at my plants. Yung iba nagbo-bloom na sila. Ayan. So this is the pink color. This is I'm not sure. This is the orange and this is the purple. I'm not sure. So now I'm going to watering my plants, okay? Guys, I will show you guys. So this is my big plant. And this is the rosemary plant. And this one is the lemongrass and the malunggay. Malunggay plant. And kamuti top, kamuti. And then I will show you guys. So this is the lemon tree. So there are many flowers now. So what I'm going to do right now for watering, I will watering doon po sa puno. Kasi pag dito matatanggal yung mga flowers, diba? So, para ma-save yung flowers niya, so dito natin i-watering sa puno para hindi mahulog ang mga bulaklak. I used to do watering my plants. It should be good for 2 days. So, ito yung puno ng lemon. We are here the other side. The other side, sa kabila. Birthday month this month. Happy birthday, and this is for you guys. Beautiful flowers from my garden. And there are many fruits, yan. Lemons. So anybody wants, please comment down below. So kapag green, mga bulok na prutas at saka mga damo. Ayan. Okay, papasyal ko kayo dito sa labas. So ito yung likod, labas. This is ours. Ayan, oh, marami pa guys. Tatanggalin ko to. Bibigay ko. Pipitasin ko to guys. Ay! Ayan, nahulog. This is the playground. And I will show you guys the pine trees. Pine tree. There's a lot of flowers. Or corn. Look at that. Holy moly. Ang dami. May aso pa naman dyan. May aso pa naman dyan. Oh, ang dami, grabe. Look. It's amazing. Wow. Daming bunga. Daming bunga na cones. O, diba? Wow. Okay. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Bye-bye.